Hello, and welcome to the 2002 Dodge Ram 1500 launch. I'm James Wood. Without question, the launch of this new truck is the most important vehicle launch in the history of the Dodge brand. In this program, you'll learn Ram's new features and benefits so you can deliver an outstanding presentation to anyone who visits your showroom. When the 1994 Dodge Ram burst on the scene, it revolutionized the market with its bold and unique style, best-in-class ride and handling, and unmatched interior roominess and convenience. It was all a winning combination. Dodge Ram increased its market share from 7% to nearly 20%. And by continuing to refine and develop its unique package through the years, Dodge has sold over 1 million Ram trucks. As great as our current Ram model is, the competition hasn't stood by and watched. They too have produced bigger, better, and more capable trucks. So now it's Dodge's opportunity to turn up the heat and make the new 1500 model even bigger, bolder, and more powerful than ever before. Certainly, the next generation Ram is going to bring a lot of traffic to your showroom. What will you tell these prospects? What could you tell them within, say, 90 seconds? In the next segment, Ram Rules, you'll learn the key why-buy features that will capture your prospects' attention, improving your opportunity for a sale. And once you've captured their attention, then be ready to tell them the additional safety, utility, value, performance, and styling benefits, otherwise known as SUVPS. And you'll be able to do that after watching the 3-minute drill, where we'll cover in detail all of Ram's new features and benefits. Remember, just getting customers to stop and consider the next generation Ram is not the end to your job. Your objective is to get them behind the wheel for a demo drive, because no matter how much you impress them with your knowledge, only a demo drive lets your prospects experience Ram and all of its qualities for themselves. To be successful in selling the next generation Ram, you need to know the Ram rules. Ram rules are hard-hitting facts organized by SUVPS, the key buyer motivations that stand for safety, utility, value, performance, and styling. So if anyone taps you on the shoulder and says, "Hey, what's so cool about this new truck?" you can tell them in 90 seconds flat. Okay, ready? Start the clock. Ram is the safety leader with the biggest brakes in its class and available side curtain airbags. Ram rules safety in the full-size pickup segment. Ram has best-in-class interior space, yet is still garageable, and full-size rear doors that open 85 degrees on quad cab, offering great passenger comfort and best-in-class cargo storage. Ram has the stiffest 1500 frame in its history, and Ram is the longest-lasting full-size pickup on the market. And a new next-generation 3.7-liter Magnum V6 and a new 4.7-liter Magnum V8 join the proven 5.9-liter Magnum V8. Bigger, bolder, with big rig design, Ram has the largest standard wheels and tires in its class. Unquestionably, Ram is the style leader. So if anyone asks you about the next generation Ram, now you know in safety, utility, value, performance, and styling, Ram rules. Of course, there's more to learn about the exciting next generation Ram. In the next segment, the 3-minute drill, you'll learn additional features and benefits organized by SUVPS to help you impress that customer and get them behind the wheel to become the newest Dodge Ram truck owner.
When your customer slides behind the wheel of the next generation Ram, they're going to feel powerful, invincible, and they should feel very confident because Ram is complete with many new innovative safety features. and some features aren't available on any other full-size pickup.
The 2002 Dodge Ram 1500 is the only full-size pickup in its class to offer available side curtain airbags. They're integrated into the roof just above the doors. Each bag deploys independently, providing enhanced head protection for front and rear outboard occupants. The 2002 Dodge Ram 1500 is the only full-size pickup in its class to feature a 3-point seatbelt system in the center seat position in standard cab and the rear center position in the quad cab. What's more, the front outboard seatbelts come with pretensioners that actuate with the airbags at the onset of an impact. These pretensioners reduce the slack in the seatbelt upon impact, keeping occupants secure in their seats.
Ram retains its standard rear-wheel anti-lock brake system, but for 2002, four-wheel disc brakes are standard with available four-wheel ABS on all 1500 models.
And standard on all Ram 1500 models, new four-wheel disc brakes have a 14% increase in brake effective radius. This translates to increased braking power, and thanks to a 19% increase in lining volume, brake life is largely extended. The 2002 Dodge Ram also meets 2003 federal head impact safety standards. A few key areas that were modified included Ram's roof, windshield, and rear window headers, side rails, shoulder belt turning loops, and pillars above the belt line. There are also new driver and front passenger assist handles that are molded into the A pillars on regular cab and quad cab, and B pillars on the quad cab. In the event of an impact that causes airbag deployment, an enhanced accident response system switches on the dome lamp and unlocks Ram's power doors. This is to enable emergency personnel to render quick and appropriate assistance. Optional on SLT models and included on all SLT Plus models with automatic transmission are power adjustable accelerator and brake pedals. It's not only a Ram first, it's the first Dodge vehicle to offer this feature. A switch on the instrument panel actuates the pedals. When the switch is released, the pedals cease their movement and are locked into place. Power adjustable pedals allow 99% of drivers to establish a very comfortable driving position. More importantly, they allow most drivers to be seated a comfortable and safe distance away from the steering wheel.
Regarding security, the popular SentryKey engine immobilizer, for the first time, is now available in the all-new Ram. Available in SLT and included in SLT Plus models, SentryKey makes it virtually impossible for someone to start Ram's engine without the correctly programmed key.
For accident avoidance, the automatic transmission now features brake park interlock to assist the driver in establishing pedal location.
And for those customers with very young children, they'll like the fact that there are 3 child seat tether anchors in the rear seat of quad cab and 2 tether anchors in Ram regular cab front seat.
Ram is a safety leader. With available side curtain airbags, a 3-point seatbelt system, larger brakes, and power adjustable pedals, just to name a few, customers will feel very confident on the road.
No truck works harder than the next generation Ram. For the everyday worker or for the everyday recreationalist, Ram's new and improved utility features make it one of the most capable full-size pickups on the road.
New forward hinged rear doors on quad cab open a wide 85 degrees. This provides maximum cargo loading as well as easier passenger entry and exit. Also new are full drop rear windows. Lowering completely, they offer full ventilation for maximum passenger comfort.
Ram's dual zone temperature control system, a Ram pickup first, allows the driver and front passenger to set their own temperature for maximum comfort control. SLT and SLT Plus models feature 2 different overhead consoles. On SLT models, an overhead console with mini-trip computer is included. It features many practical informational displays. On SLT Plus models, the overhead console with the Electronic Vehicle Information Center, better known as EVIC, features many practical warning and informational displays as well as programming features. For instance, it features a compass and outside temperature readout, a trip odometer, and much, much more. Warning displays include perform service and washer fluid low, just to name a few. This console also includes the HomeLink Universal Transmitter. As on prior models, the front center seat back folds down to form an armrest business console. However, this mobile office has been redesigned for 2002. Twin dividers in the armrest can be raised or lowered, and a power outlet is also included. What's really unique is that the center cushion opens to reveal additional storage space. You'll find this new in-seat center cushion storage bin available on regular cab and quad cab models. On regular cab models, the cab back storage system is larger and more versatile. A floor tray fully occupies the space behind the seat, and 3 utility hooks are evenly spaced across the carpeted cab back panel on ST models. SLT and SLT Plus regular cab models include a modified floor tray and a removable bin, which really comes in handy for cleaning. In fact, this bin can hold items that weigh up to 20 pounds, and it may be placed in the center of the back panel, which is a very convenient location for the driver.
Quad cab also received some major revamping when it came to storage and overall user friendliness. Quad cab comes standard with a rear bench seat. However, for 2002, the underseat storage system has been remolded for deeper storage space. Inertia-activated latches, rather than a conventional manual latch system, holds the rear bench seat securely in place, either in its raised or lowered position. Now, what's really exciting is the new 60/40 split bench rear seat, which is standard on SLT Plus models and optional on SLT. It's not just another conventional split bench rear seat. I'll tell you why. Raise the rear seat cushion to reveal a deep storage area where almost anything can be stored. Construction tools, household items, sports equipment, or work-related cargo. Even more remarkable is the flat load floor for additional storage capability. Just deploy this hidden steel floor and you can carry any kind of cargo that you can think of. You can take comfort knowing that this new flat load floor also helps to protect Ram's interior, the seats, and floor carpeting while transporting a variety of cargo. The all-new Ram boasts more interior space, 8.5% more interior space in quad cab and 2.8% more in regular cab.
Front head and shoulder room increased in regular cab, and front and rear head, shoulder, and leg room increased in quad cab. Now that's an advantage. Lots of extra room for the driver and passengers. The all-new Ram has new cargo bed features too. To begin, Ram's short bed now measures 6 feet and 3 inches, just 3 inches shorter than last year. Ram's cargo tie-downs have a new design and new placement. Still sustaining loads up to 1,000 pounds each, these 4 boat cleat-style tie-downs are clearly visible and exist in the lower corners of the bed walls. Ram customers will also love the fact that they can now order a factory-installed bed liner. It's optional on all new Ram 1500 models. A new completely integrated Class 3 towing hitch receiver and bumper assembly is built into the all-new Ram 1500 models. Ram can tow trailers up to 5,000 pounds with just the simple addition of a hitch ball.
Ram is a utility leader. With 4 forward opening doors, a full-size bed, and the most interior room in its class for 1500 models, just to name a few, customers will be able to do practically anything in the next generation Ram.
A truck's value story can be the deciding buying factor for many customers. The next generation Ram, while still enjoying a very strong reputation and having sold over 1 million units, offers customers even more value for 2002.
Ram's previous frame construction was a series of 3 panels bolted and riveted together to form a stable unit. For 2002, Ram features a 4-piece tubular rail design. Tubes provide exceptional rigidity while weighing less than their stamped steel performance equivalent. What's more, engineers utilized a process called hydroforming to shape Ram's design. Hydroforming is the process of using hydraulic pressure and highly pressurized water to bend and shape Ram's high-strength steel frame. Hydroforming replaces the combination of conventional stamping and welding previously required. Hence, hydroforming creates a frame that is stronger, lighter, and more accurate than stamped and welded frames. The 2002 Ram has the first hydroform frame in the Dodge family. The benefits of hydroforming are significant. First, Ram's new hydroform frame provides a solid and stable ride in any terrain. Occupants will not be jostled or affected as much by bumps or rocky terrain. In addition, because of the stiffer and more robust frame, NVH is significantly reduced. Second, this new hydroform frame provides a higher degree of frontal impact absorbing protection. Indentations in the front rail tips serve as crush initiators. This is what absorbs much of the energy generated from a frontal impact and thus reduces those forces on occupants. Finally, on four-wheel drive models, Ram's new hydroform frame gave way to a better design for the front suspension crossmember, as it now provides greater protection for the front axle. The bottom of the axle is higher than the crossmember is. This protects the axle from objects encountered during off-road operation. To improve the overall reliability and durability of Ram's chassis system, components were redesigned, and now its chassis boasts a new design life of up to 150,000 miles.
Besides its new hydroformed frame, the next generation Ram has plenty more standard features. For example, air conditioning, a heavy-duty alternator, rear disc brakes, a larger interior, and bigger wheels separate Ram from the rest of the full-size 1500 pack. And last but not least, Ram is the longest-lasting pickup on the road. Ram's new revolutionary powertrain features must be experienced from behind the wheel. Let the next generation Ram do all the talking with its powerful acceleration, smooth and precise steering, and surprisingly quiet ride.
A new torsion bar independent front suspension on four-wheel drive provides the all-new Ram with many driver benefits. Customers can expect a smoother ride and a higher degree of driving control. An independent front suspension on four-wheel drive is a Dodge Ram first. Another Ram first is new standard rack and pinion steering, standard on both two-wheel and four-wheel drive models. Rack and pinion steering offers benefits over the previous variable assisted recirculating ball steering, such as more precise steering control and a better feel for the road. Because it's lighter in weight, Ram's power rack and pinion steering allows for increased payload capacity. This is one of Ram's many weight-saving features that contribute to additional payload. Standard on the regular cab ST two-wheel drive, the all-new next-generation 3.7-liter Magnum V6 engine produces 20% more horsepower compared to the V6 it replaces. With 5% less displacement, this new six-cylinder engine produces a hearty 215 horsepower and 235 pound-feet of torque. Thanks to a new gear-driven balance shaft, engine vibration is significantly reduced. An even firing order crankshaft and many other enhancements provide the 3.7-liter engine with a very smooth and surprisingly quiet operation. The second all-new engine is the next-generation 4.7-liter Magnum V8, which is standard on all models except regular cab ST and all SLT Plus models. This engine replaces the 5.2-liter V8 and boasts many advancements for greater customer satisfaction. With roughly 10% less displacement, the 4.7-liter V8 provides 240 horsepower and 300 pound-feet of torque. The 4.7-liter engine provides enhanced fuel economy and even better grade climbing performance on steeper grades. Under normal operating conditions, these two engines are designed to last 25% longer and operate more quietly than their predecessors, yet still provide the best engine performance under all driving conditions. How did the platform team accomplish this?
For starters, a new coil-on-plug ignition system increases the system's reliability and eliminates spark plug cable replacement. Direct mounting of the alternator, power steering pump, and air conditioning compressor on the front cover of the engine provides accurate alignment to minimize belt wear. An automatic tensioner for the single serpentine belt makes adjustment unnecessary for the life of the belt. The drive for the overhead camshafts on the next generation 4.7-liter engine uses 3 silent chains with an intermediate shaft to provide the necessary speed reduction and to ensure reliability. Die-cast magnesium cylinder head covers used on the next generation 4.7-liter engine have no external openings, making this engine potentially leak-free. And standard on all 1500 models, a new 136-amp alternator provides quieter operation than the previous Ram pickup alternator. Smaller and lighter in weight, the new alternator reduces fan noise and features a 7% increase in output at idle. To help reduce friction, Ram's all-new engines use 5W30 oil instead of the more commonly used 10W30. To better facilitate oil changes, a new drain trough found just below the filter housing keeps the undercarriage area drip-free, so customers or service personnel won't mistakenly diagnose an oil leak.
Completing the all-new Ram's engine lineup, Dodge carries over the 5.9-liter Magnum V8. Standard on the SLT Plus models, this power plant packs an impressive 245 horsepower and 335 pound-feet of torque. An all-new multi-speed automatic transmission is mated with the new 3.7-liter V6 and the 4.7-liter V8 Magnum engines. This gives a total of 3 unique transmissions: the 5-speed manual, the 4-speed automatic, and the all-new multi-speed. The multi-speed automatic transmission offers many upgrades. Some of these improvements include driver adaptive shifting and 3 planetary gear sets that provide wide ratio capability for optimum drivability. A state-of-the-art electronic control system includes real-time adaptive closed-loop shift control and interactive logic. These technologies provide the new multi-speed transmission with world-class shift quality and help Ram maintain its speed when climbing grades while towing. Lastly, engine flare noises are prevented due to the multi-speed transmission's interactive logic, which prevents the transmission from hunting gears. Finally, the new multi-speed automatic transmission can perform 150,000 miles without adjustment or overhaul under normal operating conditions.
2 transfer cases are available on 4-wheel drive Ram 1500 models, the conventional manual shift and a brand new electric shift. Both have been extensively redesigned and manufactured for reduced weight and quieter operation. What's more, both transfer cases have been re-engineered for 50% more long-term durability than their predecessors. The conventional manual floor-mounted transfer case shifter is standard on all 4-wheel drive models except SLT Plus. Due to its many internal changes, you will notice that the transfer case, now weighing 4 pounds less, operates much more smoothly for easier shifting. The brand new electric transfer case shifter has a 3-position rotary switch on the instrument panel. This new electric shift transfer case retains the neutral mode of the manual system to allow flat towing of the truck.
The all-new Ram touts higher maximum gross combined weight ratings, an increase of exactly 1,000 pounds. What does this translate to? Greater towing ability. On regular cab 2-wheel drive short bed models that are equipped with the 5.9-liter V8 engine, Ram can tow up to 8,650 pounds. That's an increase of 750 pounds over last year. And on quad cab 2-wheel drive short bed models with the 5.9-liter V8, Ram can tow up to 8,350 pounds. That's an increase of 850 pounds. One last new powertrain feature, the engine hour meter, which is standard on all new Ram models, displays the total hours of engine operation. Now Ram owners at a glance can better gauge their engine for maintenance.
The next generation Ram is a performance leader. With a new independent front suspension on 4x4 models, rack and pinion steering, and all new Magnum engines, just to name a few, customers will have the power and ability to get things done and go places they couldn't have gone before.
If your customer wants to go unnoticed on the road, blend in with traffic, and never turn any heads, then the next generation Ram is not for them. Ram's new stunning appearance commands attention anywhere and everywhere it goes.
Ram exterior enhancements begin with its larger hood-mounted grille, larger sloping windshield, and doors that now extend to the bottom of the sills. And there's also a distinct fullness to the hood and fenders. All of these changes provide a more robust appearance, as well as a feeling of power and strength. Also brand new are 4 different grille appearance variations, depending on the model, for a very distinct Ram look. Further accentuating Ram's new looks, the headlamps and tail lamps have larger housings and lenses. On all new Ram 1500 models, you'll find a handsome redesigned instrument panel. SLT Plus models have a rich wood grain enhanced instrument panel and door bezels. Strategic placement of gauges, meters, and buttons provides superior ergonomics for all 2002 Ram 1500 models. The all-new Ram features large standard wheels and tires, 17-inch. The all-new Ram provides even better ground clearance. Ram 1500 models equipped with the 17-inch wheels have 8 inches of ground clearance. The new 20-inch wheel and tire sport group includes 20-inch cast aluminum wheels with performance tires on two-wheel drive models and special on- and off-road tires for four-wheel drive models. 4x4 models equipped with the optional 20-inch wheel and tire sport group receive a very impressive 9.3 inches of ground clearance.
The next generation Ram is a styling leader. With a larger grille, new headlamps, tail lamps, a redesigned instrument panel, as well as big 17-inch standard wheels and tires, just to name a few, customers will have the newest, coolest, and sexiest truck on the road.
Why should customers buy the all-new Ram? Well, the 2002 next generation Dodge Ram rules in safety, utility, value, performance, and styling, and has the Ramunition to prove it. We hope that this program helps you with your presentations with customers. And if you can't remember it all, stick to Ram rules and be sure to refer to your 2002 Dodge Truck Sales Consultant Product Guide for more information. It's a great resource.